Good morning this Tuesday, the 1st of October. I'm Grady Wolfe, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street opened the week with gains to close out a winning month across the major averages, with the Dow Jones adding 1.8% in September, while the S&P 500 gained 2% and the Nasdaq added 2.7% over the September month of trading. The Dow Jones rose 0.04% on Monday to a fresh record high, while the S&P 500 added 0.4% and the Nasdaq ended the day up 0.4% as well. The rally on Monday followed Fed Chair Jerome Powell's press conference, indicating the rate cuts will continue, but likely not as aggressively as the US economy shows signs of resilience against easing inflation. Stellantis shares in the US dropped 12.52% on Monday after the Jeep and Ram manufacturer lowered earnings guidance amid worsening US economy outlook. GM and Ford shares also fell on Monday. In Europe overnight, it was a sea of red across the region for the last trading day of September in a pullback from the record set on Friday in the region. The STOXX 600 lost 0.95% on Monday. Germany's DAX fell 0.76%. The French CAC lost 2%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 1.01%. Across the Asia region on Monday, China's record rally continued, with stocks rallying to their best day in 16 years, following stimulus measures announced out of Beijing last week. The Aussie market scaled 0.7% higher on Monday to a fresh record close, as 9 of the 11 sectors ended the day higher, but led by energy stocks rallying on the rising price of oil amid fresh attacks from Israel on Lebanon. Iron ore miners also felt some relief on Monday on the rising price of iron ore, following the material stimulus package announced last week out of China to help reignite economic growth in the region post-pandemic. China's manufacturing activity contracted sharply in September, though, amid subdued demand in the region, while production expanded for an 11th straight month in September in China. But new orders fell, so very mixed economic data there. Liontown Resources locally rallied on Monday after the lithium miner completed its first shipment of lithium spodumene concentrate to China, and spot sales started from its flagship Kathleen Valley project in WA. On the commodities front this morning, oil is up 0.2% at $68.30 a barrel. Gold is down almost 1% at $2,634 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.5% at $92.98 a tonne. The Aussie dollar has strengthened again overnight to buy 69.31 US cents, 99.33 Japanese yen, 51.65 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the local market will commence the first trading session of October down at 0.4%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Tuesday. Bell Potter has decreased a 12-month price target on Synlait milk from 47 cents per share to 42.5 cents per share, and maintain a hold rating on the milk processing company following the release of the company's FY24 results, including adjusted EBITDA consistent with expectations and previous guidance. Sales rose 2% in FY24 and no guidance was issued. Bell Potter maintains the hold rating on the company as the outlook remains uncertain for Synlait milk, given its reliance on retaining milk supply post FY26 and convincing farmers to withdraw cessation notices. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on KMD brands following the formation of a pattern over a period of 20 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from that close of 47 cents per share to the range of 57 cents to 59 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Tuesday morning. Happy new month, have a wonderful trading day, and happy investing.